Good evening. How can I help you?
I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah Brown.
Yes, I see your booking.
Great.
You booked for 2 nights.
That's correct.
May I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m.
Where's the restaurant?
On the first floor.
Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
That's good.
Here is your room key.
Which floor?
Third floor, room 305.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, near the entrance.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I can manage.
If you need anything, call reception.
Okay. Excuse me, the air conditioner is not working.
I'm sorry. We will fix it immediately.
Thank you.
A technician will come in 5 minutes.
That's fast.
We are sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay.
The next day?
I would like to check out.
Sure. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, very much.
Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Practice tip. Listen to this conversation 3 times and repeat after the speakers.